Each week's a little bit different. Like last week, we were seeing a pro-style football team. We've had a lot of success against those kind of teams over the years. This week we're facing a spread team that's no huddle, but we've prepared for it because we've seen some of that stuff as far as practice and things of that nature and how we practice. But at the same time, it's a different bird, so to speak. That you're a different animal. So. But it's principles that we've seen from our offense and that type of stuff too. So that's from a schematic standpoint. I like where we are now. Have we seen no huddle and fast tempo and that type of stuff? No, but we hopefully with our experience we've seen it enough over the years that we're prepared for it. So.